7 to shoot. Kuya, 7 to shoot.
Buray.
Wala. Number 24. Doray ngayon. May foul. Foul on jersey number 23. Jersey number 23, first personal foul, third, team foul. Number 24 for the parking lot, wala. And to shoot. Lakan-laleo, binigay kay Sagong. Sagong for the parking lot. Sagong! 47 for the 3. 6 minutes and 54 seconds. My foul was correct. Foul on jersey number 12, Sagong. Sagong third personal foul, warning for team penalty. Level to shoot. Number 24, ganda ng pasa out pa. Wala, nakuha ni Lakan-Lali ngayon. 3 on 2, Lakan-Lali din diskarte. My foul. Who's correct? Foul on jersey number 71, Paes. First personal foul, jersey number 71, third team foul. 2 shots by Lakan-Lali. First shot, connect. Second draw. In and out. Nice defense by Goray. Pero may foul. Foul on jersey number 26. Ramos, second personal foul. Penalty. Penalty.
Sagos. Doon. 48.
Oras natin 6 minutes and 4 seconds. Kapitan, setting the play, 15 to shoot. Kapitan ngayon, magtitimon. 11 to shoot. 5 to shoot. Goray ngayon, paras ni Sagong. Pinigay kay Ara. Pumigay sa ilalim, pumipito bounce by Ara. Goray ang magtitimon, Paes. Inaala sila ang lalim. Binigay kay number 24. Kay Paes sa corner. Binigay kay Goray, time to shoot. Rebound nila kay Lale. Ganda na bigay kay Paes. Discrimination. Time out. You start. Ready. RC Perfume. Sa gusto po ng mga perfume dyan, wala kayong pabango. Dito lang sa Gedli. Sa 300 peso. Empty. My perfume ka na. Sago na magtitimon. 15 to shoot. Pero ngayon, nagmamadali. Pero, hindi discover. Losing the board. In and out. Mukhang minalas ngayon. The captain lumipad. Losing the board. Wala. Number 22, rebound. Same ball. Gora ngayon, atake. Gora, zigzagging move.
Shot lock.
14 to shoot. Ten to shoot. 5 to shoot. Lakan-lali ngayon, lakan-lali. May pasakit. Who's para jersey number 1, Belo. Belo, fourth personal foul, warning for penalty.
Ito nang patay nga yata.
First shot. Second throw, in and out. 51-43. Number 24, Nils Latte. Number 24 again. 13 to shoot. Ganda na pasa sa ilalim. Connect for 2 points. By number 22. 3 minutes and 24 seconds. 15 to shoot. The captain for the parking lot. Wala. Substitution net.
Go, Lemon.
Nakuha ni Pares. 3 minutes and 3 seconds. 15 to shoot. Number 22. Wala. Araw the rebound. Binigay kay Kapitan. 2 minutes and 49 seconds.
Coach, sir,
15 to shoot.
reserve time out.
Who's power? All on jersey number 22. Time out. Last shot ni Kapitan. Fifteen to shoot. Pass for the parking lot. Wala. Nakalala ang rebound. Binigay kay Kapitan. Lakan-lalim ang titimong. 15 to shoot. 10 to shoot. Last 2 minutes. Sarap putback. Wala. Binigay mo. 10 to shoot. Sagol ngayon. Wow, by Sagol. 1 minute and 45 seconds. Gandang atake ni Sagol. Goray bola. Pero may foul. Foul on jersey number 3. Ala, third personal foul, penalty. Both teams. Penalty. 1 minute and 36 seconds. Ready na po next game. Goray first throw, in and out.
Shoot mo!
Second row, wala. 12 to shoot. and 30 seconds. 8 to shoot po yan, 8 to shoot. 8 segundo po. Pass for the parking lot. Wala. Habang ang rebound, binigay kay Kapitan. Pinala si jersey number 24. Binigay kay Sagon. Back to Kapitan. Binigay kay Habo. Lakan-lala sa corner. 13 to shoot. 10 to shoot.
Minute na lang, 1 minute.
1 minute and 1 seconds.
1 minute na lang. Oh. Pensa, 1 minute na lang. Dito na lang.
Pero may foul. Who's correct? Foul on jersey number 24. Penalty. Jersey number 24, third personal foul. Penalty. First saw in and out. Second draw correct. Belo, foul to win. Foul on jersey number 9. Goray, fourth personal foul, penalty. Last 36 seconds. 36. First, Sony Sagon connect. Second draw connect. Last 29 seconds. They're trying to shoot.
Okay na yung buzzer mo na.
Okay, congratulations po both teams.